New and improved farm. Footbath is there. Here we have a 64 capacity incubator, and let's see what's inside. Wow, 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 wow. Little baby ducklings. Wow, they've just hatched. Then we move ahead to here. We have some Kenbro chicks, very beautiful chicks, Kenbro chicks. Moving ahead, we have broilers. These broilers are two weeks and 6 days old, but we have an intruder here. It should be back there. We also have another intruder here. That is just an update on our farm. That is what we have been working with. We've not posted for long, but this is what we have been doing all along. Yeah, the feeders. This is the food for the Kenbro birds. It's a mixture of growers mash with some maize and some omena. Then we have the feed for the broilers, which are pellets. You can see finisher pellets. Yeah, and that is the look of our farm.